Okay, question 33 on the Year 7 Set 1 revision question. So it's a cross-shaped pattern is made by arranging 4 identical rectangles around the sides of a square. The area of the square is 36 centimeters squared. The area of each rectangle is 1 1/3 times the area of the square. Find the perimeter of the cross-shaped pattern. Show your working, state the units of your answer. Okay, so if we start by, probably the best thing to make a sketch of the shape. It's always a good idea to make a sketch of if you've got a question like this, or to draw on your paper if it's an exam paper. So what we know is that is a question about area and perimeter. If we're told the area of this square here is 36 centimeters squared, then the area of the rectangle is going to be 1 1/3 times 36. Okay, a third of 36 is 12, so we can add that on to 48. So the area of this rectangle is 48 centimeters squared. Okay, but it's a perimeter question, so we need the areas, but we also need to know these lengths. So if we start with this square in the middle, if this has an area of 36 and it's a square, so we have to say what times what is 36. It has to be the same number because it's a square, has to be a square number, so 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. So we know that this distance here is 6. This is 6. So we can write that onto our picture, onto our sketch. And then if this is 48 and we know that this is 6, then 6 times what will give you 48. Okay, well, that's going to be 8. 6 times 8 is 48. So therefore we know that each of these lengths here is going to be 8. So the perimeter of this shape, there's different ways we can do it. We can add it up, we can do some multiplying, but basically it's going to be 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 6 is 22. We know there's going to be 4 of those, so we can times that by 4, which is 88 centimeters. So there you go, that's because you have to submit your working, that's what your working would look like.